color, Stephanie?
Go red. Go blue. At Rooms to Go, you can go anywhere.
My husband doing my sewing machine.
You know what? You're going to be doing it instead of trying to put me on something else. Alright, and then you put it through there. And then you bring it down here. And you go around that little part there. Now, it's time to get ready and put all this here together because you got to put this in here and run it through one of the little holes in there.
It's a lot of work.
That ain't no lot of work. You need to do it. So you put it on here. Okay.
Be nice.
Alright. Make sure it ain't stay through that time.
Hopefully I'll be on here and be able to make some masks.
Put it in now.
I'm still not gonna get it, y'all. He'll be back in here again.
You want to get it. Don't be chilling. Alright, so you get that right there. Yeah. And now you put it on here. Make sure. Look up here.
I'm looking.
So you see this right here?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Yeah, make sure it's in between now. Now you push this down here. Once it's in the middle, you push that down. That'll make sure it stays in the middle. There you go. Alright. Had to spin that around. And once you get that in there, push that down like that. You see that? Now it clamps this part in place. And when you want it out, you have to pull that back up. So you want it in there, you make sure it get in there in place. It's clamped down in there. Alright. Now you got to hit the little button. Now if I put it on there in the right direction, it's going to fill this up. Now come around here and look at it, see if it's going to fill it up.
Okay.
You looking?
I'm looking.
Is it filling it up?
Yeah, I see it on it.
Now look over here also. Look around here on here. See?
Oh, I see it moving.
See? Alright. See right there? That's how you fill your bobbin.
I might get it, y'all, if I don't tilt it.
See how it's going left and right, filling the bobbin up? It's full. You see it, once it gets full enough, it automatically pops it out.
Oh, okay, so
it won't let you overfill
it.
That's right, it won't let you overfill it.
Okay.
It automatically pops it out when it's full enough. Alright, so you notice. You fill it up, you put it on there, and you spin it away from you. Up and away. Then you put it on there. Then when you get it where it get in here good enough, and it's even with that, you push that down. When it's full enough, the machine full enough, it'll automatically stop.
Okay.
Okay, you got it? Okay.
You'll be back in here.
Alright, now. It's already released. It's full. You're going to get what you want to do. Me, I'm just going to get a knife, cut it up. You know what I'm saying? I'm just going to get a knife. Well, that's called a misty, but it cut it right there. Now, turn your camera off, and then I'll show you the other stuff. This is the bobbin pin holder. Alright. If you got it that way, you got this little bit of handle on it right here. It's a lift and release handle. Not lift and release, but it's basically a point of contact that got to be somewhere. This is the lift and release. See right there? Stephanie. Forefinger of left hand. So, of course I got that already. That's no biggie there. And so that the slot in the edge of the bobbin case is on top. So we already know that's on top right there. You got the little screw and all that. So next thing is to top leads from left to right. Okay. Insert bobbin into bobbin case. Pull the thread into the slot of the bobbin case as shown. So you see right there? You put that in there. And you pull this thread up here. And it slides down through there. Now it's set. It's threaded. Okay? It's a little slit right there. Once you put the bobbin in the bobbin case hole, you pull it through that little slit and slide it down. It pops all the way over there. Alright? As illustrated right here.
Kofo said he's a fuddy-duddy. He actually said that. Fuddy-duddy. Isn't he the cutest?
It's got that little part there. The figure looks a little bit different because, okay, and it's showing you all this here, right here, just like the illustration. Okay. It popped in there, so I don't know. So maybe that's all, except for this last piece right here. That's the part I don't understand right here. You see what I'm saying? Where does this go? Does it go in there like that? I don't know. So it ain't showing nothing for this here at all.
How can you explain that? But Nicholas Endicott is behind this.
So it can't be just, you know what I'm saying? It can't be just this here. You see what I mean? That ain't gonna hold the bobbin in. So this here go in here some kind of way. I don't know how.
Okay.
Showing you.
You think he just send you a fancy invitation and everything's normal? I can't see a reason why I wouldn't.
See that? See how it came through? Up there. That's the part they're not showing you though. And right here, see that right there? That got clicking there too some kind of way. So, see?
There it is.
That's the part they're not showing you though. Okay, so you see it going that way. Now, hopefully everything else in here is right because it's not showing you all this here. But I see that seems like some of that right there. So the only thing I don't know whether the bobbin thread goes in there and through the middle or out like it is. It kind of seems like it's supposed to go through there. But I can't tell you because I don't know. Never put this together before. They stop at the instructions. They show something and they don't show nothing else. So there or what? But it's showing that up there. So I think what I'm gonna have to do is see if I can get that up there because that's where it's showing that. But it still ain't showing the thread nowhere. You follow me? All that is like this figure right here. See that? Now, I don't know about all that, but that's close I can get that to what that look like. All right, but now you got to thread like you would thread the actual machine. So I'm gonna close all this here up because we ain't gonna run no thread through all that. This here is a pressure thing. Let me show you something about this. Look here, how much pressure you want on it. See, now if you want to release all the pressure, that's all you do, release all the pressure. How much pressure you want it, you just mash it down to the big thing go down in there and it just disappear in it. If you want some of that pressure off of it, you just hit that thing right there. Alright, so we ain't worried about the pressure. We ain't gonna put no pressure on no one. Alright, now we thread the machine. Alright. Take this thread, the same spool we use over here to thread the bobbin. We're gonna start threading the machine now. Just like the other one, you gotta take it so far. But this machine, you gotta do a little something different. It shows that the thread goes through the two sleeves first from over there. Then it goes underneath here some kind of way. So I would say you can put it down through there. You want to do that. And then when you put it down through there, you got to raise it up here.
That's how he sprayed me for murder. He had the lab alter the DNA results. Showed another document, right?
And put it through the main part. Make sure that this is all the way up when you're doing so.
Because she knows that. After Endicott convinced you.
And we got to get ready for the last part. So we got to back this needle out too. And in the back, you got the arm let all this up and down and stuff. So you got this little part right here. That's the easy, quick. You want to let it up and down so you don't have to go back here. You want to just go on and drop it. The pedal. So that's just to help you pedal release. But it's the main part here. So now you got it up in the top. You bring it down here. Put it in this here. Because all these are like little guys. You put it down through there. Oops.
What happened?
Did I put it through there? Oh, I tell you what, you ain't got to do it all that. Just push it through that through the side. All right. Now it's in there. Now the last part, threading that old needle. Look at that. All right. Now, old school, what we do, we put the thread in our mouth.
Don't put that thread in your mouth.
And we just lick it so it get wet. You know what I'm saying?
Use your hand.
So we're not going to do that.
Please.
Now I need to get my wire scissors I asked her to buy, so I cut the thread so it be an even.
I didn't buy any.
So that means I gotta use my stuff again.
That's right.
My stuff.
Y'all hear him? Y'all, he's showing off for y'all.
Looking at it, and usually the needle is not going to fit in there but one way anyway, which is the flat side. So your needle also has a flat side, and there it is right there. So the flat side is only going to fit in there one way. If that needle don't fit in that hole, that's not the flat side. Usually, when it go up in that hole, you can try to turn it around left and right, but when it go in that hole, it's only going to fit one way, and that's the flat side. And you'll know pretty much it's the flat side or not, because the flat side is going to let you push the thread through the needle straight through. So now you're going to get a little cut. Where is that on? Oh, I don't know what that is. Alright, so you just gonna cut your little what you call it so it don't have no little stickers on it. You want to go on and go through. Of course, this is not a singer. We got a singer, but we got to replace a part on the singer. So me, since I did a little thread needles in the day, way back in the day.
Don't you remember Homemade?
And Homemade, Miss B. Smith. She taught us a little bit about, stuff when I was way back. Not that far, but it was way back.
You have a sharp brain, don't you?
So you just, take a little with you. When you learn, you take a little with you. So see how it's threaded? Now, that's all threaded. Now, next thing you do is you check it real quick. Make sure it's lined up. You don't want nothing hidden, nothing. Okay. All right. Ain't hidden nothing. You're going to take that thread and run under there. Make yourself happy. All right. Now, get you some cloth.
You going to make a mess real quick?
Get you some cloth.
Let me get this cloth. What kind of cloth?
Now, you got this other thing over here.
What thing? You got this cloth.
Okay, you got some cloth here. I'm not going to make it. I'm just going to start a stitch because I don't know what this is. It looks like something from the Flintstones. All this material here.
I can make you a do-rag out of that.
So basically, it looks like somebody just been figuring they know what to do, but I don't know if they figured they know what to do right or not, but they just were doing something on this color.
Just for doing some. Amber was over here just doing something.
So I myself, I wouldn't have cut all these holes now. I just would have stitched it to it without cutting holes in it. That would have been me.
Okay.
All right, now you've got something else going on here. You got a little light switch, and there it is.
I got a little light going on.
So it's not going to be bright like the
sugar
thing because it's in a different place. On and off switch right there.
I'll put my lamp on
And
now.
you got another part that's right here. It's a little crank. It cranks this little level here. It cranks it from left and right, but you got to crank it. All you got to do is pull it. Let me see, which one was it? This, I think it's right there. It cranks it, so it's different thread and all this and that and stuff. So every time you crank it, it's going to crank it way over there. So it's kind of like a tight rod. You can crank it, and then but you got to push it all the way back and crank till it starts.
Well, that was a miserable thing.
All right.
Them typewriters.
So my wife was in the typewriter age, so that makes me a young fella. All right.
I'm not old.
Now, so
he older than me.
You got the needle. Make sure your needle is all the way up.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so you can see your needle is up, your pedal still up, and so just make sure your material is under. And I'm talking to my wife, of course. I didn't get her permission to record this. So now we're just going to drop the pedal. We're going to drop the pedal. Now I got a little button over here I'm mashing, and cause like I said, this is not a singer. We got a singer, but it's not using it. I'm talking to my wife. So I don't know what she did right here.
Just so the thing, it doesn't matter. I had Amber over here
check it and see how it works real quick, okay? And here you go.
Go ahead,
and
baby.
don't sew your fingers.
That's right. Don't sew.
So we're gonna start this off real slow.
Hey, now
see is it working? Now, if it's not working, that means that I got something not right.
Look like you got something.
So I'm gonna let it go on and play around. You know, I ain't trying to do nothing straight and this and that. I'm just letting it.
He's gonna make some mess. I'm gonna get him some mess.
What I'm gonna do is gonna lift this up. We're gonna slide out a little bit, real slow. You don't wanna be all rough with that. So the thing is, we trying to make sure that the thread coming from the bobbin and the needle. So when you look at it, it's threaded through the top, thread through the bottom. That's the bobbin and the needle. So that show you that both of them been threaded right. Now my wife should be able to handle the rest.
Thank you, baby. You want to give me some sugar?
And as you see, that's just to show you that the bobbin was done right, and the other part, the needle was threaded right because it's accepting the thread. It's making a somewhat tight stitch, even though I didn't even try to work on it. So that's what it looked like before, except for them Flintstone holes, and that's what it looks like right there. So you see, it's threaded, the needle threaded, the bobbin threaded.
I'm gonna tell Amber you're talking about her
it's running through the machine properly.
That's gonna be your mess.
So now my wife can't say, hey, I couldn't make your mess because the machine wasn't threaded. I showed her how, and if she put this on her little site there, believe me, she better not have my face on there because I didn't tell her or give her permission for that.
Thank you, baby.
Now,
good night, YouTube.
And put a